Are you looking for best web series? In recently I watched detective web series and it's an interesting mind-blowing comedy thriller suspense web series. Let me briefly explain about this web series in short. In a France lab, scientists modified the dog gene and after the birth, the dog can speak like humans and his IQ is also good than humans. But unfortunately, the dog work with the thieves because the scientists developing more genetically modified stem cells and they are pirating stem cells to each other and developing more intellectual to sell their puppies and earn high amount of money. But in one mission, during spying the lab code by dog, the dog listened that they will kill him after this mission. And the dog escaped and he met to Alberto. Alberto helped him to escape from the ventilator and dog followed him and he reached the Alberto workplace. The dog was injured because he removed the GPS tracker into his body. Suddenly Alberto saw the dog and he bandaged in his legs. Then the dog says thanks to Alberto. Alberto was surprised the dog can speak. He asked his name. Dog said his name is Max. And after Alberto and Max became friends. Alberto has always dreamed of being a private detective officer, but he always disqualified in personality test. One day his sister-in-law Marta helps Alberto to pass the test and he qualifies the private detective test and he starts his own detective agency with the dog Max. Max has high sense of humor, so he always chases the thieves and killers. Gradually, the Max and Alberto were famous. They have a lot of money. Before, the Alberto worked on a mall as a security guard, but after coming Max in his life was completely changed. On this web series, there is a lot of detective cases can be seen and solved by the Max and Alberto. And the comedy makes it more interesting drama. It's available in Amazon Mini TV as a name of detectives. Please subscribe us to get more interesting drama. Thank you so much for watching.